been asked to sell this detached barn conversion. It's situated close to Trewint village and Alton, and really easy access to the A30. So anybody got to get to Bodmin or Launceston for work, perfect spot. It's got 3 bedrooms on the first floor, and on the ground floor you've got a dining room, living room with a fireplace, and a nice modern fitted kitchen. So and a nice garden too. It's terraced with plenty of grass and lawn to look at as well. I'm going to show you around inside in a moment. Thank you.